Go ahead, Loki. Go check it out. Mary's out there somewhere shoveling away. Great win by the Patriots. Me and Mary watched that first. We've been out here a couple of times. Since Luke is working, and he won't be home for a little bit. Loki, get over here.
Look, come over here.
Come on, Luke. All right. Loki, get up here. Ah! Get in that snow. Go out back or something. Go climb the hill. Go ahead. A lot of snow. Definitely some good stuff. Yep. We got enough room for plenty of cars in the driveway, so Weymouth police said anybody parked on the street will be towed. Okay, what's going on? How you making out over there? Huh? Gonna stick your face in there? What are you finding? What's in there? Get up there. What's in there? What do you smell in there? Huh? Whoa! Get up there. You can do it. Go ahead. Where you going? Get over here. Get over here. Rah! You ready to go in? You ready to go in? Nah! Ow! You gonna knock me over? Whoa! You gotta go in? All right. Get in there. Woohoo! Very nice snow. You don't get it often, so you gotta enjoy it. Take it as it is. Right, Mary?
Yeah, why don't you come help?
I'll come help. I'm all done.